my name is Brooke with WTI, and I struggle with calluses, and that's why this Gildan Tree Callus Relief Stick 30% Urea is so wonderful to use. It's easy to use. You don't have to get it all over your hands. You just use it and glide it on. It really works. It's amazing because once I put it on, I feel the moisture barrier. I feel how it traps in the moisture, and it doesn't just sit on my callus and do nothing. It penetrates deeply into that thick tissue and it softens it. My heels feel so wonderful. I was really nervous because not a lot of things can do that, soften such thick calluses on my heels. So I love how this works, and I also don't smell anything while using it. My feet, they don't stink, so I can use it even when I'm going out and I'm not embarrassed. It's really nice to keep up with my feet and keeping them nice and soft, but it also works great on other parts of your body like elbows, and it's a natural antibacterial, anti-inflammatory ingredient, and it does a wonderful job. So if you also need to give yourself a little bit of relief from your calluses, this works for me, and that's my point of view.